Hello, my name is Julia and this is Space Daily News channel. SpaceX moved Starship Ship 24 to a launch pad in South Texas on Saturday, April 1st. Moreover, the company lifted and installed the massive Super Heavy first stage of its launch system onto the launch pad. The next step will be to lift and install Starship onto the first stage. Although this kind of assembly has already been done several times for testing, the Starship is now being prepared for its first orbital launch. In recent weeks, technicians have added heat shields to protect the rocket and launch pad from intense heat from the launch of the Super Heavy Starship rocket, which is powered by 33 Raptor engines. The launch vehicle will have about twice the thrust of the Space Launch System rocket has recently made its maiden flight. However, SpaceX still has not received a license from the Federal Aviation Administration to conduct an orbital launch, but it's quite possible that it will be obtained in next 2 weeks. In early February, SpaceX conducted a fire test of the first stage of the Super Heavy. At the time, 31 of the rocket's 33 engines were fired, and SpaceX announced that its engineers has received enough data to proceed with the first launch. During the first orbital flight, Super Heavy is expected to take off from SpaceX Starbase launch pad toward the Gulf of Mexico. After separating the first stage, the Starship will have to gain orbital speed and then attempt to re-enter Earth's atmosphere over the Pacific Ocean. If successful, it will make a controlled descent and land in the ocean north of Hawaii. The ocean landing is probably chosen because SpaceX doesn't want to risk the infrastructure of Starbase launch pad. It probably took more than $1 billion and full year of work to build the huge Megazilla tower. For now, this tower is only used to assemble the Super Heavy and Starship structure. But future launches are expected to use this tower to capture the first stage of the Starship and place it onto the launch pad. Space Daily News. Like, share and subscribe.